What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is really weird. It's random. I mean, and oh, by the way, some of my friends are saying I'm super impulsive. It's kind of true, but I've been shopping for this car, so you guys will see exactly what we're doing. The project that I'm gonna announce that we're doing today, super random. Just keep an open mind. I promise it'll make sense later on. But some of you guys are requesting this little guy right here. Come here, Shubi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Can we start the vlog? Can we start the vlog now? This is Subi. He's you're 9 years old. How old are you, buddy? Don't really remember. You smell good. Lunchtime. One more side note. We're doing an Adidas collaboration with Primal. I'm super excited. I did a Nike one not too long ago. I did a Champion one recently, and we are doing a Adidas one. So you guys stay tuned for that. I don't have much supplies for it. So if you guys are interested, leave a comment below. Adidas collaboration, and we'll try to hype it up. Hopefully Adidas sends us some good stuff so we can work on. All right, to the video. All right, guys. Good afternoon from me and Robbie D. We are. Remember when I was talking about selling my truck? This is the reason why, and we're just taking a look at this thing, and we don't know if we're gonna get it or not. But let me show you what we're thinking about buying. Oh look, it's here. Robbie D, what you think?
Fucking nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's really nice.
I like it too.
The black interior.
Rob likes the black interior.
Yeah, the black interior is.
I like white interior, so I don't know what you. I know what you're saying.
I like the white interior too. I don't hate the white interior, but I think if I were to choose, I would choose the black interior.
Racist. Dude, what do you think though? What do you think? Like, should we do it?
I think we should do it. This is really nice.
What's up, guys? Once again, we are in LA, in traffic. Of course, what would we be doing? I'm here to pick up a check from the bank. My bank is all the way in LA. So that way I can bring it to the seller and seal the deal. I'm pretty excited about this. This was completely unplanned. I didn't expect to buy a car this year at all, but an opportunity popped up. Okay, guys, I just got here. Let me go inside, take about an hour, finish up. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back in the car, and ETA is an hour and 30 minutes now. I'm telling you, I live just east of LA, and it gets super crazy if you're not out of here by like 2:30 p.m. If you guys are traveling, this is what it is.
Feet, turn left onto Vantage Drive.
Okay, navigation's over. Guys, we're in the Tesla Model S. Black interior, white exterior, glass roof, double glass roof right there. I think that's really cool. I think there's a sunroof here. I think I can open this up. I'll tell you guys exactly another day. I want to get the logistics down of why we bought this one and why I even sold my truck for this. Pick up Rob.
Hello?
Rob.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm driving in the S.
Okay. What?
Yep.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. I got it, dude. I got it.
Wait, where are you right now?
I'm in I just dropped them off at their house, so I've got to drive back to the house now, but the car's gonna be dead, so I've got to charge it up a bit. But we got the S, bro.
Wait, where's your car? Where's your Tesla?
The X is charging at home right now for a bit, so that way you can take it.
What you call it? Ice champion water. Ice. You got to get
What's up, bro? You want to race for Binks?
I'm down.
What's it?
My car though.
How's it look?
Looks fucking good.
It's nice.
Yeah. Damn.
We got it.
Let's go.
We can't fuck up this, Rob.
Okay.
We can't fuck this up. All right, so I'm pulling into my house, and actually I've got to back it in because I'm gonna. But this is cool. Garage looks good, but I'll back it in so I can charge it. Rob's pulling out the X so I can fit this little thing right here inside there. That's what she said. Oh shit, I really hope he doesn't smash the... Don't smash it. Oh, so scary. That scared me because the side mirror is really close. Looks good, looks good. Damn. Hi, Leah. Come here, I'll show you more. Do you like this car? Yeah. You like it? She still likes the X more. She keeps pointing to the X. Which car do you like more? Oh, you like this one more? She's changing her mind now. Oh, look, baby. The car. Do you like the car? Yeah. We're driving the car. We're gonna pull it in. We're gonna charge it, okay? The first charge at home, Rob.
Hey, it looks fucking good.
Huh?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Rob, yo, we got it. Sorry, it's so sunny. So we'll explain a little bit. So Rob and I have this idea of doing we're gonna wash cars for a living. Okay, serious note. We are doing a mobile detail shop, and I don't know. It's a random. We thought about it sitting at a charge station watching guys do washes.
Yeah.
So we bounced off the idea and realized that we can do waterless car washes. and we use really good chemicals, really good products. I won't tell you guys the name yet. It's a very good name. It's a very good name. You guys will love it. I know you guys will love it. So, but we are eco-friendly, so hence why we will be driving the S, the Tesla.
Yeah.
So that's the whole idea. It's very different, super random, but we've been doing it. I haven't been telling anybody, but we've been putting in a lot of work the past 2-3 weeks.
A lot of hours, yeah.
A lot of hours. So, we've been grinding out there on the streets. Yeah, car wash? Anybody want a car wash?
Car wash.
What's waterless? It's different. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys for now. Stay tuned, because the Tesla, it's gonna change. Hey, what's up guys? Rob spent the whole day working with the S today, and it looks very clean.
Car is fucking...
Is it, you like it?
Primo, yeah.
But you feel the difference between the X and the S?
No. I mean, this one feels smaller.
Yeah. Well, no, remember you were talking about the door yesterday.
Oh, so the door opens by itself.
Yeah.
This does not. So you gotta like shit.
Peasant life.
Yeah, you gotta like get out. That one you just slip on the brake.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
But it feels like a Tesla still.
Yeah, it does.
It feels like a Tesla.
It's really good. I liked it.
That's what she said. So did some detail work on the wheels. They look good, very clean. The body looks really good. Tire shine. Oh man. Man, the car is really, really clean. It looks good. It looks brand new. Yeah. It looks brand new, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Damn, we should have bought that instead of the S. Rob, we fucked up. That was really nice.
That's really
Just got to the charge station. Rob has the hardest time parking this car for some reason. Let's see if we can get this charged up. Oh, first charge station. Double charging.
double charging.
Dude, it's Rob, this one has the upgraded charging cable.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, because it's charging at
40 minutes. Yeah, it's the same.
Yes, it's the same thing as yours.
Wait, how much is that? 56. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Wait, did they?
They don't know. They don't know if it was.
Oh.
So I was like, it might be the slow one, it might be the good one.
Yeah.
We got the good cable.
Ah, we got it.
Oh, that's so crazy. We got the good one. Robbie D, we got 2 Teslas in the fleet. Okay, so we're charging right now. We're gonna clean up the car in a little bit, so it's nice and new tomorrow. All right, Rob, I gotta show you something. I'm gonna show you something. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
What's that? Mamacita. That's fucking crazy. It didn't look like they actually moved. It looked like they were just it goes all the way back. Like even the back.
That's Max.
Yeah, that's tight.
I love cars with sunroofs.
This is fucking
The only car I've ever had a sunroof was my Eclipse.
shit. You haven't had another one since then?
Since then.
How long
No, you know
was
what? No, the Benz didn't even have one. And the Range didn't have one. They had glass roofs. But they didn't have.
Yeah.
Mama, we made it. We just got done wiping down the entire car. So now it's all nice and clean and kind of new. Feels good. Whoa. Oh, you guys are on the couch. You gonna stay? Come here, Subi. You wanna be on the video? Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. So you guys, I know this video is super random. This is Subi, super random. The Tesla is super random. But so the details on the business, I'll get you guys the names and Instagrams and phone numbers later and pricing later. It's mobile waterless car wash, which is kind of cool. We'll show up to your door and we'll wash it. There's gonna be a couple other cool ideas that set us apart from other car wash guys, especially since we're waterless, which I think is really cool. Crazy idea. It's not gonna make us super rich, but it's something that Rob dreamed of doing, and then I was in the position of kind of fulfilling that dream. And I told myself I wouldn't never do this again because I got burned in the past. But I think it's a really cool opportunity, and Rob's been with me for almost like over 2.5 years or some crazy numbers. So I figured we'd take a risk together and figure out what we can do. But I think collectively in 1 week we've put over almost 200 hours in on this project in 1 week, and I'm not even joking. They're logged hours, and we've been hustling. We've been hustling pretty hard. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll document the journey of starting a business that's local that anyone can pretty much do. And then on side of that, I think I have some other side projects I want to work on, but I'll document all of it. But thanks guys for kind of following the family and the doggy. All right guys, I am home. I'm gonna say goodnight to you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll let you guys know what we do with the S. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a work car, shop car, but we're gonna be modding it a little bit. Anyways, thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys next time. Good night, bye.